Hello, I'm John Donoghue from the Oisin School of Bioenergy. Bioenergy is a healing modality used in alternative medicine. It's a method by which the therapist uses their hands on and off a client's body to help unblock energy blockages in their auric field or in the human body. So in this particular video clip, we're going to show you how you can sense your own energy, how you can sense energy in your hands to begin with. So it's a very simple technique. If you just rub your hands together like this, and separate your hands and get a sense of what you might be feeling between the palms of your hands. For some people, this is a tingling feeling. It might feel like hot air between your hands, or cold air, or magnetism. And if you don't feel the sensation straight away, don't worry. I'll show you a couple of other methods. You just rub your hands together like that. Open out your hands widely and bring your hands together very, very quickly. As you do, you're moving a lot of air between your hands. Just feel your hands moving the air, and then start moving your hands more slowly. You can still feel the air moving. Move your hands more slowly again, and then hold your hands still and get a sense if you can still feel that sensation even with your hands in that still position. Another method is to rub your hands together like this. And with this method you might also feel the sensations in your hands. Just circle your hand, one hand above the other like this. Feel the sensations in your hands. Or rub your hands together and use a protocol we call stimulation, which is like playing the piano very quickly with one hand while the other hand is in this position, perpendicular. So what you're doing here right now is you're sending pulses of energy from one hand to the palm of the other hand. Just get a sense of that. Like playing the piano, as I said, very, very quickly. And after a little while you begin to sense the energy in this hand. And as you rub your hands together again and separate them, you begin to get this sense of like a magnetic force between your hands. This is your own energy. This is the energy field which is all around your body. It's around everybody's body. It's around all animals, all plants. This auric field is part of your life force. This is your connection with the universe. This is your connection with the great cosmos. This is your energy field. So as you sense this, just imagine between your hands is like a balloon, getting larger and smaller, and you can shape this balloon into any shape. This is an energy field here right now. This is an energy ball, and you can shape this energy ball. You can bring it in, you can bring it out, and now you're holding this energy ball. And this energy ball has pure energy between your two hands. Hold this energy ball in your hands. You can move it in, you can move it out. This energy ball is full of life force energy. You can use this energy ball to place on some part of your body where you may have pain or discomfort. For instance, you can place it each side of your knee like this. So there is now an energy flow flowing straight in through your knees. You could use this energy ball each side of your head if you have a headache. You can use this energy ball each side of your jaws for any problems in the mouth area or teeth. Now that you can feel this energy between your hands, this energy ball can now be placed on somebody else's body where they have pain or discomfort. And we will show you this as part of our online training program. We have over 50 videos and we welcome you to be part of our training program. Creating this energy ball between your hands and learning how to sense your own energy and your own energy field is the first step to learning how to apply protocols and applications, which we will show you on our online training program.